Jacob's Salon tortoise. Sweatshirt.
Chillin' hair tie, no makeup with some sweatpants on. You know I can always be that guy. You can think about me all night long, but I think you need something to think of me, something that will keep you warm. It can be more than just this. So baby, if you are ready for my kiss, then you can wear my sweatshirt, and you can tell your friends we'll be together till the end. Girl, you can wear my eyes, 'cause you're the only one I want you to be cold. So baby,
Oh, I think I ruined my panties with that one. Hold on. Yeah, bye.